So sometimes it just keeps, when it's raining, it's pouring. It is raining outside today, and it's been some very heavy rains, and we discovered that we have another issue. You guys said I should stop calling her trouble. I don't know if I should, or maybe I'm jinxing it by doing that. Maybe I need something different. I don't know, but we had this fixed a while ago. You can see back behind me, right up here in the windshield, we've got a bucket. Stripping up there is starting to buckle. Let's go take a look inside and see what's going on.
Looks like it's not just where the bucket is. There are other leaks as well. It's messy. This is not going to work. No. It's
That's
already...
Oh my gosh, it's a lot of water, John.
I know. Yeah, we need more than that.
You see all that water?
Can I have the bucket a minute?
That towel's not even... The towel... We're going to need both towels.
Yeah, we are. Now I'll go get the other towel. Be right back.
That's a lot of water.
Yes, we have a leak. A very large leak. So I'm not sure what we're going to do about this one because they fixed it, supposedly, but it's not quite right. We'll stuff this down here. Hopefully it'll soak up some of this. That's better, I think. Yeah, well, it's better, but it's still, oh, this thing is soaked. Now I need your towel. Just want to put this where the water's coming down. I can use this one. Got up all that water nicely, though, for the most part. All right.
We're expecting rain through tomorrow.
I know. I mean, between the towels and this bucket, I think we'll be good. I'll just leave the towels there. See, there wasn't much in the last few minutes. It's just the one drop, but it's the water from the windshield that's the issue. I guess this stuff.
Yeah, the stuff that's just coming down the windshield. It looks like it's on the outside, but it's really on the inside.
Yeah, so I'll leave this here. And the towel will get the stuff from the windshield.
Do we need like to tarp it or something?
I don't have a tarp right now. I'll have to come back in the morning to do something about it. And plus, it's wet up there, you know. So
oh, you don't want to slip and slide and hurt yourself.
And it's the front. It's over the edge of the front, so I'd have to lie down to do it.
Yeah.
Or get a ladder.
Good morning. We're going to go check on that leak, see how things are.
I don't want to look.
It rained, but it stopped last night at some point. So
it did,
we'll just go and empty out the bucket again and get those towels up and maybe get some fresh ones down.
Yeah. All right, the bucket did its job. Take a look at that. That's pretty good. Oh, let me dump this outside.
Oh, you could dump it in the sink if you want, John.
All right.
Yeah, it'd be easier.
All right.
We should grab those towels too and...
Yeah. Let me close this.
How are those towels?
Oh my gosh. Let me have that bucket.
You gonna put them in? Oh, are they that wet?
Yeah, they're very wet. Thank you. This is too much. Oh. That is soaked.
I'll throw it in the washing machine.
Yeah, this water is still coming out. It's not drying up stuff now. It's leaving streaks.
Coming out of the windshield or
No,
coming out of the off the towels?
I can use a paper towel. And get
Yeah,
the
let me
rest
take those. I'll wash them.
All right, there
All
you
right.
go. That is just crazy. Just wanted to clean it a little.
So it's just
It's just water residue still.
from the towels.
Yeah.
But the towels did their job and the bucket did the job.
It did.
Yeah.
It did a good job.
I'm not sure how that started all of a sudden, though.
I
Again.
don't know either, but...
Because it's rained before, and we haven't had an
Yesterday
issue.
was pretty bad. Yesterday we had a worse rainstorm than we had in a while.
Well, we're stuck here in the rain with a leaky windshield. So we decided, why not have a little fun and see what would happen if we did an AI generated script. So I hopped on ChatGPT,
Oh, good.
let it know it was a rainy day and we were RV camping, told them we were ampedtoglamp, give us a script. So, for everyone's entertainment, we're going to go ahead and do this script. I think it should be fun.
I hope they're entertained.
I mean, look, there have been a lot of people talking about how AI can change YouTube because now anybody can have a script. So let's see how good it is.
All right, let's see this.
And I even asked specifically for it to give a human feel to represent John and myself based on what it knew about our YouTube channel and to add some humor in.
This can only end badly.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to ampedtoglamp. Today we're talking about camping in the rain.
Oh boy, can't wait for this one.
John's a little rain phobic, but I promise camping in the rain could actually be fun.
Fun for who? The ducks?
Okay, hear me out. Rainy days can actually be a great opportunity to do some fun indoor activities that you might not normally have time for.
That's it. We cut.
Oh, cut. Oh, I know one thing we can do, John.
What?
Let's take a hike in the rain.
No. I guess we are.
Gotta follow the script, John. Let's go head to the trail. See, John, hiking in the woods in the rain can be lots of fun.
Sure. This is great.
Well, unfortunately, we lost the rest of the footage where we played some games and did yoga. I know, it was your dream to see John do yoga. So sorry. Okay, back to the video.
The one thing the script didn't say was that I could read a book.
It is a beautiful Sunday morning. This is our view. We're actually staying at a harvest host this weekend. If I turn around right behind me here, there's the winery. Now, they're actually pretty cool because not only is it a winery, but it's also a brewery. And then they also have some sparkling beverages as well. But it was a really good time last night. Just kind of came here to relax. We are, I guess I should give you the name of the place, huh? It's the winery at Sunridge Farm. It is in Manassas, Virginia. And what's so unique is that, I mean, you see all the open areas here. It's really quite beautiful. It looks like they're building some cabins, so I'm very interested to see what happens with that. But it's like you're in the middle of nowhere, but you're in the middle of everything. There's so much around here, and the road coming in, a little bit scary to say the least. But everyone's nice. They pulled over. Really, if you have a big rig, it's just one car at a time. But yeah, it was really nice. So why are we here? We have to take Trouble in again. You know, we're getting ready for this Yellowstone trip. We need to take Trouble in. Here comes John. He's going to yell at me for saying Trouble. And Trouble also has some electrical issues. I think Trouble's possessed now because it's honking on its own. And then, you know, it puts a step down when you feel it. It's like it is like it's haunted. Because you know what it does, John? No, think about it. You know what it's doing?
What?
You come in to go in, and the steps aren't there. right? And so you're trying to figure out what's going on, and then you're going to take that big step, and then a step comes back out, and then it tricks you, and then it yanks a step back in. What?
Not exactly.
That's what it feels like to me.
I know.
But it doesn't work. That's the whole key. It doesn't work, and there's something electrical going on, and it's always reading that the chassis battery is at like 0.2 when we know it's full because the engine's running.
Yeah, the thing's fine.
It's fine, but
it's just something's reading it wrong.
I think John put the batteries in wrong when we did it ourselves.
No, it's been checked.
They checked the batteries?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
been checked when they were trying to diagnose it up.
So I can't blame you.
No.
It can't be Trouble's fault.
Put them in.
Trouble is supposed to be in a good spot. But anyway, so Trouble has a leak. We're getting the leak fixed. We're getting the electrical system looked at because we have to drive 4,000 miles. And I just don't want anything going wrong. I want it to be in good shape.
I can just hit aux start and all of a sudden things will work again.
That works for now, but
I
let's
know,
figure
it
out what
could
the
break. Something's
typical
broken.
man.
I'll just do that.
Let's figure out what the problem is. All right, so anyway, John, I was sharing with everyone what a great harvest host this is. My arm's getting tired here.
Oh, hold up.
My arm's tired.
You caught me
I'm
by
always
surprise.
Don't put your finger in the shot.
You do it, so why can't I?
Because it's different. It's me. So anyway, what I was trying to tell everybody is that we found this harvest host. Yeah, we found this harvest host.
Okay.
We found this harvest host.
Yes.
Stop it, John. And so we're staying here because Virginia traffic is the worst traffic in the world. It seems lately it's just ridiculous.
Yep.
So rather than get up in the morning and have to spend all of our time traveling, we said, let's come hang out at the winery overnight since we have a Harvest Host membership, which is awesome. I love it. This is the second one we've been to in like a week. And so Harvest Host is awesome. So we stayed here tonight. So we're only 15 minutes down the road from where we have to drop off our RV.
It took us 4 hours to get down to
It took us 4
Richmond.
hours to go what should have been an hour and 20 minutes.
It should have been.
And even coming here, this should probably been about an hour, and it took closer to 2 hours.
Yeah, the traffic between DC and
gotten
Richmond
worse.
is horrible.
Yeah, and I want to get out of here early today so that we don't hit that traffic returning home, right? If we leave out early enough, we may be able to skip some of that traffic.
And to be clear, it's just traffic is worse here as far as how thick it is. Atlanta is just worse because it's just crazy. Driving it.
Tell me, if you live in Atlanta, put down in the comments below. We drove our RV through Atlanta. I don't think I'll ever do that again. That was like a crazy, crazy experience.
Well, I knew it was going to be crazy because I've driven through there before.
They must have a different like road test.
They
for
must.
getting your license. I mean, it's like cross 4 lanes.
At 80 miles
80
an
miles
hour.
an hour to make a left turn. Cross 4 lanes going right to make a left turn at 80 miles an hour.
Yeah, you have to.
It's something different. Anyway. So stay tuned. We'll drop it off. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
We're here at National Indoor RV Center. You've heard us talk about how we had another leak within Trouble.
Okay.
And
Guess that's it.
water was coming in through the windshield when it rained. I ended up having to stay with it for like a week during a rainy week so that I could like put the buckets and the towels and everything else on her. Keep things nice and dry on the inside at least, right?
Yeah.
No, we're not sponsored by them. No, they're not paying for anything. But I got to tell you, we told them we're in a bind. We said, hey, look, we've got this trip to Yellowstone. You know, we planned this out for a year. Right before this happened, Trouble developed the leak. And we were having some electrical problems, which they weren't able to get to, but I think we can live with those.
We can live with that. We know how to work around that.
Right. But we said, look, we've got this trip. Can you get us in? They got us in last minute. They got the work done. We are here on a Saturday. The maintenance people aren't here. The salespeople can't close us out. But let me tell you what they did. They're like, here's your paperwork. We'll settle it on Monday. Just give us a call. Give us the credit card and we'll be fine. I mean, is that amazing?
That is awesome.
Or what? This is really good customer service. Now, I've heard good things about National Indoor RV Center.
Yeah.
About, the buying experience. And we've seen the videos that Angie puts out. But we haven't experienced it ourselves. Everything is looking pretty good. I see they put a little sticker on there. But that's okay. I'll do a little micro advertising with the sticker.
They stuck their own sticker on there.
That's all right. I don't mind that. But yeah, so huge shout out to them. We're really happy. We're pleased with the work. We'll know if we're really pleased when it rains next.
Yeah.
We're in a little bit of a drought here on the East Coast right now, at least in the Mid-Atlantic area. We haven't had a lot of rain. I think we're in drought 1 stage. So
something like that.
Hopefully we'll hit some rain soon and we can report how it went.